Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what I have told you that after 2020, when the price of crude has moved in a negative trend, after 2020 what we have seen, after covering this range of what we have seen, it was in this particular zone. Okay, and once this zone made a high, we have seen a little sharp downfall, but it tries to move, took a support of this level and moved upside. Okay, made a second high. Okay, and this trend has followed continuously for 4-5 times. Okay, and this will be the sixth time if this level sustain. Okay, but there is, because of the war situation, we have seen the price of crude has made a high also, and from there we have seen it is quite volatile. Okay, now what we can see looking for the next week, before we move forward and explain you where it can move ahead, if you have any doubt in crude, gold or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at the chart. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, because a swing has formed at this particular level, a level of around $76.59, keep this in mind, out of around 85.46, you can say, that is $76. Okay, so if this level sustain, but it has already break this particular zone, so if we can see a bounce back, but if this level goes further down, then the next support coming at around $77.04. Okay, and if from there also we can see a support of 68.12. Okay, but as I will tell you, if the price sustain this particular level as the swing is in, then we can see it can touch resistance of around 87.02. Okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $89.52, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $90.59. This $90.59 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high that we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $91.66. This $91.66 is a support, which is a resistance which is already being weak resistance, so chances will be very high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $95.94. Okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $97.72, and from there we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $102. Okay, keep this in mind. If the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $105.21. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then there is chances of going further upside and can touch a level of $109.14, and if that level sustain, then chances of moving upside is on a higher side, because a pattern is created here. If you look at, you can see that a cup pattern is forming. Okay, but once if it sustain this level, a probability of moving further upside will be there. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, as you can see, this is the range where the price of crude is moving. But if this level didn't sustain, which is on a higher side, that it will not sustain, so we can see it can come to its strong support around $85.4, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see the next support coming at around 81.67, before that 82.74, but if from there we can see it can come to a level of 81.67. Okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $79.18. Okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of around 73.83. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $70.62, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of $68.48. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $65.27, and once the price move below that level, then we can see it can move further down. So you have to understand here is that the price of crude is continuously on the downside, but now it is in the range. So whenever this range break upside, the range high is around $94.16, and this range is already being weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside in a higher side. But if this range breaks downside, then we can see it can touch a level of around 75, and once 75 breaks downside, then we can see it can fall further low. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.